So let's look at these high pressure systems that have been moving into California and its general area. And look at these low pressure systems that have moved into Kentucky and South Carolina. Looks like we have some cirrus clouds over here and some stratus clouds on the other side. We have a nimbus cloud heading right for Washington and Oregon. So you better get your umbrella out because it looks like it's going to rain pretty soon over there. Well, let's take a trip to Montana. It looks like it's cold and wet over there. And we can take a trip down here to Louisiana, where it looks very warm and dry. Let's check out these frontal systems. It seems like we have a cold frontal system rolling in from the southeast. And we have another cold frontal system rolling in from Canada up here. It looks like Wyoming and its general area is getting a snowstorm. Seems like in a couple days it should be cold and dry over there. Let's take a trip to New Jersey. Down in Jersey it's very cloudy, yet cold and dry right now. It looks like there's a snowstorm coming, and it might hit in a couple days. And that is your weather report for today.